having a virtual card make online transaction easy and simple. But the problem is, how can you get a good, secure, reliable virtual card that you can use and own on your phone? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how you can create a good, secure virtual credit card with this platform. I will show you a step-by-step on creating your account, funding your account, and creating your virtual credit card. After all, we show you how to link this card to your PayPal account. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important step. First off, go to your phone, open your Play Store or App Store and download this app, Eversend. I have the link in the description. When you download this card, then you go straight forward and create your account. The first step, they will ask you your email address. Make sure you give them a working email address and enter your details to create your account. So after creating your account, you enter your name, your email address, your date of birth and stuff. It will land you to this screen. If you look at it down there, you will see we have balance, cards, send, end, and more. And if you check at the top there, Ghana cedis, and the next one is what? Kenya shilling, and the last one is USD. This app, you can use it to convert your cedi account to Kenya currency or to a USD, meaning you can use it to buy dollar and save it here. When times come, then you draw it into your country currency. So to create our account, we need to make sure we fund our account, putting money to your platform. If you check here, you will see the fund there. Tap on that fund there. You have the plus and stuff. Tap on that one. It will land you to this screen where the first one says mobile money, meaning you can fund your account using your mobile money. The next one is waves links. So let me use the waves links. It will take you to this side. Tap on open link. The first option, you enter your name on your mobile money number. The next one, your valid email address that you gave when typing or registering into the platform. And then the next one, you enter the amount of money that you want to pay. So when you tap on pay, it will take you to the next screen. So this screen is where you are going to indicate the number that you want them to deduct the money to upload into your platform. First off, you choose you enter your number, you choose your mobile operator, that's either MTN, Tigo or Vodafone. You choose that one, then you tap on pay. When you tap on pay, they will send you a prompt into your number for you to verify. After you have done, and then they will credit your account. It's just a sentence that they will credit your account. So if you look at this platform here or my dashboard here, you will see I have 50 Ghana cedis on my platform. The virtual card that we're going to create, it will be in dollars, not cedis. It will be in dollars. Also, we are going to create a dollar virtual card. So we need to make sure we exchange these cedis into dollars. So to do that, tap on exchange. We have one cedis is 8.35 in Kenya shilling. So I want to exchange this one to dollars. They will exchange the dollar rate for you. So my dollar rate here, $1 now is what? Is 15 cedis, 70 pesos. So how much do I want to exchange? I want to do 50 cedis. So my 50 cedis, if I do that one, if I exchange that one, I'll get $3.18. Then you tap on continue. So here you have exchanged 50 cedis to dollars. I will receive notification that shows that I've done that. So let me go to my dollar account and see. So this is the money in my dollar account. Now we are going to get our virtual card. So to get the card, check down here. We have the card here. Tap on that one and tap on create a new card. This is the options that you need to make sure you read and understand. The first one, the card creating is what? Free. You create a free card. And we have one minimum card funding amount. You need to make sure anytime you want to fund your account, the minimum amount will be what? $1. And the maintenance fee for this card is what? Either $1 monthly maintenance fee or you pay one-time payment of $3 for your card. So you will choose one. Either you want monthly or just one time, that is $3, and you use your card till the time that you say you don't want to use your card. And anytime you want to do international transaction, they will take $3.5 from that one. And we have the card penalty too for you. So anytime you do a wrong transaction on this card, or they detect a wrong transaction, let's say you want to pay amount that you don't have on your card, then they will think that it's someone trying to hack your account, so they will ban your account and you pay a penalty for it. The penalty is 0.35 cents. So if you agree with all these tasks, then you tap on agree and continue. So the first one, do you want to pay one-time payment of $3, or you want a monthly fees? Every month they take $1 from your account. So for the sake of this video, I'll choose the monthly fee. This side, you are going to choose your card color, the color of your card, the one that you want. So I'll go for this one and head on continue. So this side, you are going to add fund into your account. Here they will take $1 for the maintenance, minimum of $1, that's the fees. I will choose $1 to and add it to my account, because Eversend says minimum of $1 that you need to add to your dollar account. I choose that one, then I hit on continue. Here you type in your code, that's your 4-digit pin when you were creating your account, the 4-digit pin that you use creating your account. So this is my confirmation that shows that my account has been created. You have created a new virtual card with USD, that's $1. Okay, I hit okay. So you see my account balance, the left, or the one that has left. Let me count to my account. So here is how my account look like. So this is my virtual card. I can view it and see my card CV number, the expiring date and stuff. So this is how my account is. So this is the easier way to create your card. So Eversend is the best card that I can recommend you to create it. Our next video, I will show you how to link this virtual card to your PayPal account. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you subscribe and like this video. You have question, put it in the comment section.